Hello, class. I want to go over the JetNet site so that you can utilize this for this coming semester for the Math 131 course. We already just went over the syllabus, but now we're going to go over the JetNet site. Okay, so now on the JetNet site, it has a general overview of my welcome to you all. And then we come down here to the syllabus. It says, please click on the link to access the syllabus. You just click on the link here and the syllabus will come up. So this is how you would get access to your syllabus. Okay, now the next thing. Number 2, it says My Math Lab. My Math Lab is a site used for all assignments in this course. Please visit this site to sign up. And it has the link for My Math Lab. Students must sign into the site in order to complete the course assignment requirements. Click here to follow the instructions to sign into the course. So you will click here and it will give you the instructions and you could go right to the My Math Lab site. I already put the course ID here and you just follow these instructions exactly all the way down to number 7. This also gives you the access code. You do not need to pay for the access code because you already paid for it in your course. So please make sure you follow these directions in order to sign into My Math Lab. Okay, now the big blue button. The big blue button is basically where we're going to do everything as far as this course is concerned, as far as the synchronous sessions. And what I will do as we're doing the synchronous sessions, they will be recorded and they will be available to you. I did make a video on Big Blue Button so you can see how to access Big Blue Button. And our synchronous times are from noon to 1 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Okay, now the assignment calendar. The assignments for this class are listed for each week of this course. You can follow the assignment calendar below to know what is due each week. Now this assignment calendar is a little bit more detailed than the syllabus because the syllabus has all of these elements, but well, let me take care of all of this and then I'll go to why it's different from the syllabus. Let's go to number 5 first. It says best ways to contact me. You have my email, you have my cell phone, I'm going to have everyone sign up for Remind or doing our big blue button sessions. And then it says to get responses within 24 hours, please contact me before 4 p.m. Monday through Thursday. Now the big blue button class sessions and video notes. Okay, so basically this is talking about the videos that will be recorded. You just basically have to click on the chapter, find the section you need and click on the video. Take your notes, complete the assignments associated with the sections. So this is going to be a little different because most of your notes are going to come from My Math Lab. So it's slightly different for the big blue button session here. Okay, now it says, please click below to access Big Blue Button or the chapter videos for notes. Okay, so now we have the Big Blue Button. Now, what I'm going to do, since we have an SI in this class, I'm going to make the classroom cafe the place that you all would meet for your SI sessions. So all you have to do whenever the SI sessions start, you will click on the classroom cafe, and then that's where you all will meet at to have your SI sessions. Now, this link here, the My Math Lab homework, this link would just take you to My Math Lab, and then you could also access the videos that you need for the course as well. Okay, now, week 1. It says here, getting started before week 1. Now, what we need to do here, when you click on here, this comes up. It tells you to sign up for My Math Lab and review the syllabus, which I did send you all a video for that as well. Okay, next, the weekly overview. You will click here and your weekly overview will come up. Now, this is going to be posted every week. and it has what you need to do for that particular week. Now, it's going to give it to you in general terms, but what you would need to do is also look on JetNet to take a look at what you have to do. Okay, now, if we look here at week 1, for the synchronous sessions from noon to 1, you would click here and you will go right to the big blue button session, which is shown here. And then it will show that the session is open and you will click join session, and then you will be able to get into the session. Also below here it says there are no recordings to show. That's because class has not started. Once class starts, we will have recordings for you to be able to look at if you so choose. Okay, now coming back here, we have our Desmos projects. Now, what will happen with the Desmos projects? Remember in the syllabus, at the end of the syllabus, in that video, I showed you where the projects were and their dates. Now, this right here is telling you the dates too. Is week 1. Week 1 ends on the 4th, so you will have that time to turn in this project. So I'm just letting you all know that the projects that's due in a particular week, they will be in that week for you to complete. So you will need to look at your syllabus as far as the step-by-step instructions you need in order to do the Desmos project. And you know you can click on your syllabus, going back up here and clicking this link here, and it will take you right to your syllabus, and you could go right and look at the Desmos projects once you scroll down. Okay, now we have different assignments from My Math Lab. Whenever you click on these assignments, all this does is take you to the My Math Lab website, and then you sign in and do those particular assignments. Now, as you see here, that basically ends this week off. You would do these assignments, you would do your Desmos projects, and then also, like I told you before, you go to My Math Lab to view those videos to prepare you for the course. Now, week 2, same thing, basically the same thing. We have our synchronized sessions, and then you do all of the activities here. And if you notice, the sections we have here is from 1.9 to 1.9 to 1.16. You know, you must watch those videos, take notes, so you could be prepared for class. Now, we also have here Chapter 1 review quiz. That would take you to My Math Lab. You would do that. Chapter 1 review homework. Still My Math Lab. You would do that in addition to all of the other homework assignments. And then the exam 1, Chapter 1. It still will be in My Math Lab. So this is basically the basic overview of JetNet. And you know, when you click on, let me show you this as well. When you click on Desmos, like say this was project 7 you were doing, you would come here. I'm going to change the due date, but you would come here, you will see the due date, and you will see where you would be able to add the submission. You would click add submission, and then what you could do here, you would type in what the project says, or you could upload the project as well. Okay. So that is basically it for the JetNet tutorial. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me, and I will talk to you later.